Hi everyone, myself Subhaya from IT department. Now we are going to deal the topic about the Boolean model. This presentation explores the Boolean model, the foundation concept in information retrieval. We have dived into the core concept and the main Python program by using ideal Python. Introduction to the Boolean model. The Boolean model is a fundamental model used in the information retrieval. It uses Boolean logic to represent and retrieve documents. This model allows for efficient document retrieval based on logical operation like and, or, and not. The two types of operations are mathematical foundations and logical operations. Mathematical foundations. The model relies on the principle of Boolean algebra, a system of logic dealing with true values. It logical operations. It leverages logical operators like and, or, and not to create synthetical queries. Core concept of the Boolean model. The Boolean model revolves around two key components, Boolean logic and the representation of documents and queries. Boolean logic and or not. These are the Boolean logic. Document and queries. Document are represented as a set of terms. Queries specify conditions for retrieving relevant documents. The and depends on all terms must be present in the document, or at least one term must be present in the document. Not the specified term should not be present in the document. Document representation. Documents are represented as a set of terms using a Boolean model. Two key concepts plays a role in this representation. Term frequency and Boolean vectors. Term frequency it defined as TF. This value represents the number of times a specific term appears in a given document. Boolean vectors. Each document is represented as a binary vector, which each element corresponds to a term. Binary representation. 1 indicates the presence of term in the document, while a 0 indicates its absence. 1 indicates a true and 0 indicates false. Query processing. Query processing involves translation user queries into logical expression that can be evaluated against the document representation. Query types. Simple queries and complex queries. Result generation. The system retrieves documents that meet the logical conditions specified in the query. Simple query defined as this involves a single term or a simple combination of term using and or not operators. Complex query. This query involves nested conditions, potentially using parentheses to group term and conditions. Advantages and limitations of the Boolean model. The advantages of the Boolean model is simplicity, precision, and efficiency. Simplicity, easy to understand and implement. Precision, return exact matches based on logical conditions. Efficiency, quick relevant of document due to binary representation. Limitations, no ranking. All retrievals documents are considered equally relevant. Rigid queries, queries exact matches which may miss relevant documents. Complexity is com- complex queries can become difficult in manage. Implementation of the Boolean model in Python. The implementation of the Boolean model in Python involves using data structure like the inverted index and definition function for query processing. The data structures and query libraries or collection of the default dictionary are useful for creating an inverted index. The data structure is used for efficient set operation. Data structure. The inverted index is a core data structure mapping term to document IDs, enabling efficient lookup of document containing specific terms. We can now see the examples of Python code. For building an inverted index, the Python code is we are defining a document variable. We define a variable as document is equal to The dictionary is one, two, three. One dictionary is defined as key value pair. The key is 1, value is apple, banana, orange. And next set 2 and 3. Inverted index is equal to default dictionary set. We are we are including the nested for loop for this conditions and printing the dictionary in inverted index and the query processing for processing method for example of Python code. The specified logic operate conditions. We are using the algorithm for algorithm shown in the left side of the screen. The SQL query is the systematic of data collections and data dictionaries. You can refer using the given in the left side of the right side of the program, and we are using user defined function, and in for loop we are using if else and elif statements to return the dictionary in the correct order, key value pairs. And I conclude that the Boolean model serves an foundation approaches in information retrieval, providing a solid basic for document querying and retrieval. However, it is important to consider its limitations and explore alternative approaches that address shortcoming in ranking and flexibility. Future consideration. Explore ranking models and probabilistic revealing for improved relevance. Further exploration. Investigate advantages retrieval models, including vector space model and probabilistic model. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please comment in chat box.